To add custom fonts to Shopify, you need to understand the basics of font files and how Shopify handles them. Shopify allows you to add custom fonts to enhance the look and feel of your online store. First, you need to prepare your custom font files. Ensure you have the necessary licensing rights to use the font for commercial purposes. Most custom fonts come in various formats, including TTF, OTF, WOFF, and WOFF2. You will need to convert your font files to WOFF and WOFF2 formats as these are the most compatible with Shopify. Next, you need to upload your font files to Shopify. You can do this by going to the theme editor in your Shopify admin panel. Click on the Online Store section. Then click on Actions and Edit Code. In the Code Editor, navigate to the Assets folder and click on the Add a New Asset button. Upload your WOFF and WOFF2 font files to the Assets folder. After uploading your font files, you need to declare them in your theme's CSS file. In the Assets folder, open your theme's style sheet, which is usually named styles.css or theme.css. Add the @font-face rule to declare your custom font, specifying the font family, source, and format. Now, you can use your custom font in your Shopify theme. You can apply the font to specific elements, such as headings, paragraphs, or buttons, using the font family property in your CSS file. Make sure to test your custom font on different devices and browsers to ensure compatibility. Best practices for adding custom fonts to Shopify include optimizing your font files for web use, using font hosting services, and ensuring proper licensing and permissions. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully add custom fonts to your Shopify store and enhance its visual appeal.